Pay attention to things that makes you successful. You were born with the power from the above. Use it wise. Don't delay your success. But remember this, it doesn't come easy. Go an extra mile. Have a strategy plan and respect life. My success comes from my discipline and focus. My success comes from my hard work and passion of winning. My success comes from my mistake and failure. My success comes from my bad and good behavior. My success comes from my creativeness and idea. My success comes from my decisions and choices. My success comes from my poverty and strategy. My success comes from my belief and happiness. My success comes from my forgiveness and values. My success comes from my trust and respect of time. My success comes from my commitment and action. My success comes from my strength and respect of life. Respect life. Go an extra mile. Have a strategic plan and respect life.